Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very special feature of WhatsApp. Friends, when you are using the WhatsApp, then you see a lots of things and lots of chatting. In busy schedule, you are not able to delete that secret chat, but no need to be worried. Today in this video, I will discuss about that. If you are busy and you are not able to delete your private chat and you do not want to share that chat with any one person, if anyone is gonna use your phone for a very long time, then by this feature you can enable that feature and that chat will be automatically deleted. Now let's see how we can do that. First of all, you have to go to WhatsApp chat and go to settings. When you open the setting, you will see account option. Tap on that, go to privacy. When you press the privacy, you will see that just down below your default message timer. Then tap on that. When you tap on that, you will see the 4 options: 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days and off. By default it would be off, but you have to tap, for example, 24 hours. When you tap on that, you will see the 24 hours will be enabled and default message timer will show that if you are chatting with someone and you are sending the message to anyone, after 24 hours it will automatically disappear, and by doing so you can secure your personal chat and personal data from anyone. If anyone is gonna use your phone for a very long time, then he will not be able to see any chat. Hope you like this video. Click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for the latest new updates. Till then, bye bye.